It's easy to recall a map. Let's take a look at it now. First, you can recall single measurements, reports, or sessions from the database. You can look for them depending on the age of the data, today, a week, a month, or a year ago, or all of your data. Let's say we want to examine a session from some time back. Not knowing when it was collected, we will look through all our sessions. Note to the right, there is a preview of the mosaic to help you find the one you want. The file we want started with high res, so we will search for that. I'm looking for the one with the multi-layer film in the middle, so I'm going to click down the list. The second one is it, so let's double click it and it opens. Clicking the high res mosaic view shows the film centered and pre-analyzed. Rolling the mouse wheel enlarges the image. Select the profile menu to work on the data. You can choose from a variety of analysis profiles. Let's try correlation. We pick a point which thus selects the spectrum located there. We then tell Paradigm to use that as a reference. This alters the color bands, red shows high correlation, and blue is low here. Clicking other points alters the image. This sample is polyethylene, nylon, PVOH, nylon, and polypropylene, which explains the layers seen. By clicking a spectrum, we are defining the colors. Multiple curve regression, MCR, automates this, so our bias is removed. Note MCR cleanly finds all 5 layers. There is a lot more behind this, but this shows how simple it is to analyze your maps.